Alright, so I'm sure you're all excited to learn about the different Taiwan pork brands and their products. Am I right? And we invite everyone to roam around and visit the different booths that promote some of our featured brands and their products. Catch you all later. Take our favorite dishes to a whole new level. In the meantime, we invite everyone to roam around and visit the different booths that promote some of our featured brands and their products.
With two of inspirations were already launched in the market, namely 123 Sesame Street and Cosmic Cardboard Adventures. So without further ado, I would like to introduce everyone to Mr. Ivan Guerrero. So, a very common example, exercise. A lot of us want to have like a better body, diba? We always imagine na parang, I want to be in the best physical shape possible. You always have to make a plan and a roadmap whenever you have a dream to execute it properly.